Hello everyone, I'm working on the Boland's mower that I started with this morning. I put on a new safety brake cable. I just stuck this piece of paper under the braking system here to show you how this operates. I have the brake bar now pulled back and depressed. So this comes away from the coil wire. When you let go of the handle, it grounds out the coil wire. I put that piece of white paper there so you could see there's an air gap now, and then it will kill the coil right at that point. Also, I wanted to show you a common problem with these cables. They are plastic here where they mount up on the handle, and a lot of times, if you can see, that tab inside is broken off. After they're depressed several hundred times, that tab in there will break off. You can see it right there. This one broke off. Your cable will not have any tension on it at that point. This is what a new one will look like. That plastic tab there in the center of the cable actually goes into the metal handlebar and secures it against the handlebar. What happens over time, this stresses out and breaks off. So I'll show you a little tip to prevent that from happening. 9 out of 10 times this tab snaps off and I have to replace with a new cable. What I do is go ahead and put a zippy tie around it, and I'll show you how that helps. So here's the new one that I've installed. You can see how the tab here comes through the metal bar. So I go ahead and take a zippy tie and put it on the top side of the little plastic tab there, and this will give you some support. It'll reduce the amount of stress that this goes through every time you're pulling on the breaker bar. You're doing this constantly. It's putting stress on this plastic. It probably should have been a metal piece, but plastic is cheap to manufacture. So go ahead and take a zippy tie and wrap it around this whole assembly, and that'll save this from breaking off. So if you do buy a new mower, go ahead and put a zippy tie on this and lengthen the life of your brake cable. And I also go down the handle bar here and put a couple of extras just to keep this snug against the handle so it's not flopping around. I got another one going through the hole here in the handle. Keep it from flopping around. You can see another view of the broken off tab here. Breaks right off. It's stressed out a lot. It's just a piece of plastic. So these cables are all different lengths and sizes. So what you'll find is you can look these up through the model number of the mower itself, or go ahead and take your cable if you don't have that access, and there'll be white letters and numbers stamped on the cable. You can go ahead and search the length of the cable. You'll find some identification numbers on it, a couple of letters and some numbers. Go ahead and do your internet search, and you'll come up with providers that'll have these, either on Amazon, eBay, briggsandstratton.com, or any other the other parts suppliers will sell these cables. I always keep a large selection of lengths and sizes because I'm always working on different mowers. Sometimes I'll get an oddball and have to go ahead and order it, and I put that project aside while I'm waiting for the brake cable to come in. So anywho, thanks for watching, and that's your little tutorial on brake cables and brake mechanisms. Have a great night, and thanks for watching.